Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Studio 321. Today we have this question to solve x into x into x into x equal to x plus x plus x plus x. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all we will multiply this x 4 times, so it will become x power 4, and when we add x 4 times x, which is equal to 4x. So now we will send this 4x on other side of the equation, so it will become x power 4 minus 4x equal to 0. And now we will take x as a common. So after taking x as a common, here x is x cube minus 4 equal to 0. And now we will compare these two factors with this 0. So x equal to 0 and x cube minus 4 equal to 0. So now x equal to 0 is the first solution of this given question, and now we will find out other three roots of this question by solving this x cube minus 4. So let's now solve this x cube minus 4 equal to 0. So we can write this x cube minus 4 as x cube minus cube root of 4 all power cube all r power 3. Why? Because this is basically cube root, so this cube root can be cancelled with this cube, so again it will become 4. So therefore we can write this 4 as cube root of 4 all power 3, which is equal to 0. And now here we will apply the q formula, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So according to a cube minus b cube formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a equal to x and b equal to cube root of 4. So let's expand this equation according to this formula. So when we expand, so it will become a minus b, and similarly a square plus ab plus b square. So a square plus ab plus b square, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two factors. One is this and the other one is this. We will compare these both with 0. So it will become basically x minus cube root equal to 0, and similarly x square plus cube root of 4x plus cube root of 4 square equal to 0. And now we will send this cube root on other side of the equation, so it will become cube root of 4, because here it is minus, on the other side it will become plus. And similarly x square plus cube root x plus cube root of 4x plus cube root of 4 square equal to 0. And now if we look over here, so this equation is in the form of quadratic equation, which is basically standard form of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we will apply quadratic formula on this to solve it. This is the standard form of quadratic equation, and we will compare this equation with this quadratic formula. So here if we apply quadratic formula, so according to quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here if we compare this with this equation, so a equal to 1 and b equal to cube root of 4 and c equal to cube root of 4 square, like this: a equal to 1, b equal to cube root of 4 and c equal to cube root of 4 square. So now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So let's put these values. So minus b is cube root of 4 and plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So after putting these values, this equation will become like this. Now this is cube root of 4 square minus 4 times cube root of 4 square and divided by 2 into 1. So this 2 into 1 will become 2, and this will become cube root of 4 square minus 4 times cube root of 4 square. So if you see over here, this is a 1 time value and this is 4 time value. This is basically just like you say 1 minus 4, so it will become minus 3 cube root of 4 square, like this, minus 3 cube root of 4 square divided by 2. And now if you see over here, so this is a square and this will cancel with this square root, so this will come out of the root and the equation will become minus 3 minus cube root of 4 plus minus cube root of 4 and square root minus 3, because after cancelling this with the square root, so it will come out of the root and the remaining term will be under root minus 3 and divided by 2. And now we will take cube root of 4 as common from here. So after taking cube root of 4 common from here, the remaining term will be minus 1 over here because of this minus, and plus minus under root 3 under root minus 3 divided by 2. And now we will write this plus minus separately. So this is the second, or this is the fourth solution. This is basically the third solution and this is the fourth solution of this x. So now here we can see over here this under root minus 3. We can write this under root minus 3 as like this, and we can also write this like this, under root minus 1 into under root 3, and this under root minus 1 is equal to iota under root 3. So overall we can write iota under root 3 in place of minus under root 3. So we will write iota under root 3 in place of under root minus 3. So let's write it. So this equation will become iota under root 3 divided by 2, and similarly here it will become under root 3 into minus 1 minus iota under root 3 divided by 2. So this was our question, and now we have four roots of this question. The first one is 0, which we have determined earlier, and the second one is under root 3 divided by 4. These two solution are real solution, and solution number third and fourth are complex solution of this question. So overall it has 4 solutions. Now if we want to verify this, so for 0 it is obvious it is verified if we put 0 over here, and similarly 0 over here, so 0 equal to 0, so it's obvious it is verified for the value of 0. Now let's try to verify this for cube root of 4. So let's verify this equation for the value of cube root of 4. So we will put cube root of 4 in place of x. So this equation will be in the form of this as shown. Now we can write this because this is cube root, so cube root can be written as like this, and this is 4 times, so we will add these, so this will become 4 times cube root of 4. And now according to exponent rule, if we have same bases, so we will take a single base as common and we add the power like this. So we can write this as 4 power 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 4 times cube root of 4. Now these are 4 times 1 divided by 3, so it will become 4 times 4 divided by 3 when we add all these values, which is equal to 4 times cube root of 4. Now this equation we can write this 4 power 4 divided by 3 as 4 power 1 into 4 power 1 over 3. Why? Because when we add 1 plus 1 over 3, this is equal to 4 divided by 3. So as I told you guys that if we have the base in multiplication, same base in multiplication, then we add the power. So here the power is 1. If we add 1 plus 1 over 3, so it is again equal to 4 power 4 divided by 3. So we can write this 4 divided by 3 as 1 into 1 divided by 3 over here. And now if you see at this 4 power 1 over 3, that is equal to cube root. So we will introduce cube root over here. So the equation will become 4 into cube root of 4 equal, which is equal to 4 into cube root of 4. So this equation is verified. So we have verified this question as well. So this was the solution of this question, which is also verified. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.